Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. And as you can see from the title, today we're going to be organizing. We are officially in the Christmas cleaning edition. So if you are looking for some motivation to get things done around the home during Christmas time, this channel is the place for you to be. So join me today. Check for supplies. So today's video is going to be lots of decluttering around the home. You're just going to be just basically seeing me declutter and organize and put things away. So if that's what you're looking for, this is the video. I have set a timer. I like to put a timer because it makes me work faster and I feel more efficient with the time that I have. And I have also managed to create a little list. This is the list over here, and this is what I'm going to be following to do. So basically we're going to be focusing on particular areas around the house that I need to declutter, and this cupboard is one of them. And all those little storage bins, they have to be organized because they're overflowing with a lot of stuff. So let us tackle that. So I like to basically begin decluttering before Christmas because number one, it makes me know what I need to purchase. During the Christmas period, it gets very hectic in shops, and I don't like to be going in and out every single day whilst the busy period. I like to make sure I have everything. If I'm going to go out to the shops, I'm going to do one big massive shop and I'm not going to come back out again until the new year. So that's one of the reasons why I like to organize and declutter and just an inventory stock check what it is I have and what I need to purchase. And this goes for my cleaning products, food, clothes, everything. So this cupboard's to-do list, as you have noticed, they is quite a lot of cleaning products, drinks, and my essential must buy things. So we're beginning with the cleaning products one. Some of these things have been there for some time and they're actually empty, and some of them are running out, so I'm just going to need to purchase. So this is why I do this every single year. I just like to make sure I'm organized in that aspect, just to avoid going to the shops and buying things unnecessarily. Just know what you've got and what you need to get from all aspects of your household. So yeah, that's why I do it. So I'm now going to start the other part of my to-do list, which is on my checklist to do, which is drinks. I like to know what I need to buy, extras, cups and stuff. So this part of the cupboard, like I mentioned, had so many things in there that had been thrown in there. So this is me just organizing and just making sure I know how many drinks I need to buy and where I need to get. And yeah, so I like making a list, and I hope this list is also helpful. You can amend it and write your own to, suit the needs that you have for your own household. So it does not necessarily have to be just like mine. And my timer went off and I still had about 12 minutes. Sorry, I checked the time and I had 12 minutes left. So that's all the stuff that has been organized in those little baskets, and I'm very happy with that. I'm now going to tackle the next big basket that I have down there. So I'm just getting rid of some of the stuff that I have. Like I have parts of an old Hoover that I forgot I had, and I found my old elbow grease. I've been looking for that for such a long time, so happy to have done this. I find all the things that I have been looking for, and I just move them from the storage place to the one storage place that I use every single day. I hope that actually makes sense, but I know what I mean. So yeah, that's everything done, and I only have 58 seconds left, so I'm quite pleased with that. And we are now going to move to the kitchen. So we're going to focus on the kitchen cupboard. So kitchen, and again, I've got the to-do list, which is over here, and I'm just going to take out all the spices and all the clean cooking stuff that I'm going to be needing to purchase. This is just makes me know what I need to purchase, that I don't need to buy anymore. And Also, just to organize it because this place was looking a little bit messy and I just needed to get that done. Yeah, I just like to make sure that everything is in order. And yeah, if you're enjoying this type of content, please let me know in the comment section below. And also, do you guys like Christmas songs or Christmas music to be playing in the background? I don't know if I'm going to be talking quite a lot throughout these videos, but I'll try not to do too much talking. If you prefer music, let me know. If you prefer just listening to the sounds of the things of me cleaning, let me know. So if you just prefer the ASMR type of stuff, let me know. So I can put some Christmassy jingles and stuff in the background, but I tend to avoid that. I don't know. I'm not really a Christmas music playing person, but if you are into that, I will definitely do that for you. And that is with all the spices and everything done and organized. I am happy with that. We're just going to clean that area because we had a little spillage and I hate stained cupboards, so that's me just getting that part done. Okay, and that's that part of the to-do list officially checked off. And yeah, we're now moving on to the next one, which is going to be the appliances. Just making sure I've got all the appliances and all their parts are there. Again, Christmas cooking, baking, everything. I need to make sure the blenders are there and everything is in the right place, so when I'm baking and cooking, I can just take it all out. I just like to be organized like that. And we're just going to clear these. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in these. I normally put like pastas and stuff and lasagna sheets, but I'm probably going to put like baking stuff in there. So I just like to just make sure that, you know, it's clean. And like I mentioned, I just buy everything in one go so that I don't have to keep going back and forth to the shop until the new year and everything's back to normal. And I also find that I don't need to start cleaning when the new year starts. So everything's ready and I am ready to begin the year with everything ready and organized. And also, please be mindful. I know this time of the year can be very stressful and very busy. So just do what you can with the time that you have. If you can manage it, if you can get help, that is even more, you know, better and more efficient for you. Just don't feel like you have to do everything on your own in one day. I didn't even do this in one day. This was split up in about 2 days. So you can do exactly the same as well. So don't feel too much pressure. And yeah, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one. You have a lovely day. Bye.